Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification channel for more updates. Thank you.
Okay, guys, we all know this guy, Micho. I known him at Big Brother Mzansi. Some knew him before Big Brother Mzansi. So today we are talking about a big moment, a real motivational one. Yeah, you heard that right. He just bought a brand new BMW. Now, if you have been following his journey, you will now see this is not just a random win. This is a years of consistently posting content, staying relevant, and building a name for himself online. And today is clear that the grind is finally paying off. You know, a lot of people only see the final results. I mean, the car, the lifestyle, the picture, but they don't see the late nights, the planning, the pressure of staying consistent when nobody is sleeping for you. Guys, I have nothing to say, but what I can say, coming, going inside to the dealership, coming out with a BMW, not just BMW, but a brand new one. Congratulations to my brother. Social media really pays.